Hello everyone and welcome to our night routine. I have never shared how our nights end, so I'm excited to walk you through a typical weekday with us. So here I am in the beauty room. Hello, if you're new, would love for you to subscribe to my channel. So I just finished filming and I need to clean this room. I cannot end my night if I do not clean my workspace, my house. I just need to. Also, please ignore all the PR on the side. What's up, Alpha H? Today's also in partnership with them, and Sebastian and I are going to be showing you guys one of the products that we love to use that truly transforms your skin. So here's my desk after a day of filming. It gets pretty crazy and it's important for me to put everything away because if I just leave this here on the side, it is going to pile up the next day and then the next day and then the next day, and it just becomes a crazy mess. So my assistant Mealy and I are here putting everything away, wiping down all the products, putting it back in its home, and I just sleep so much better knowing that space is clean. And I'm sure you guys can agree, you know, it doesn't matter your profession, when your desk is a mess, it just causes stress, so we don't want that. So now that the desk is cleaned off, we are doing a little unboxing. I'm not fully unboxing, but I'm taking everything out of the cardboard box, putting it in the recycling bin, and then just keeping the packaging for unboxing, which I will be doing in an upcoming TikTok video. Oh my god, I just got this package from Morphe. It is their new Lucky Charms collection, and they also sent me cereal and hot chocolate. And yeah, just really trying to stay on top of it. Even though it does pile up, it's important for me to do these little things to make the process so much easier. Once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my vacuum and doing a quick cleanup on the floor. And here is the finished outcome. It looks so much better, so much cleaner, and now I can work in a clean space. Ignore all the PR on the floor. We still have a lot to go through, but I'll be handling that in the next coming days. But everything else is so clean, and yeah, that's it. We're done. Out of here till tomorrow. So once I'm done in the beauty room, I merge over to my office and finish up all my computer work, so emails and editing. As I was actually filming this, I got an amazing email. You're gonna see my face right now. I kind of freaked out. As you can see, I'm picking out some selects for a new drop, but I got a really good email, so responded to that. Also filled in my planner for upcoming events, schedule changes, and so on. And also finishing up a vlog from over the weekend. I was laughing because it was so funny, and that will be up very, very soon. I forgot to mention that our evening routine kind of starts around 5:30. That's when we just kind of shut off from the computer and everything, and we just enjoy ourselves. So we're taking our boys on their afternoon walk. The sun was so bomb. Look at that. We really just enjoy it because Sebas and I get a little bit of time together, just kind of talk about our day, goals, plans, and yeah. Put the leashes away right at the front. This is the best little mudroom to store all the leashes, shoes off, and now it's time to make dinner.
So it's my turn to be in the kitchen. I'm probably in the kitchen for most of the time of my day. Today on the menu with Chef Sebas, we're cooking tilapia, sweet potatoes, and a little bit of rice. The first thing I do is I put mostaza on my fish, season them. I like spicy, so I do paprika and a little bit of garlic powder. You know, you gotta make them look pretty with the little slices of lime. Put them in the air fryer, season up the sweet potatoes, grill them, make sure everything looks nice and pretty. Guys, eating healthy, you will understand the fact that you always gotta cook. Us enjoying our meal. The best part about cooking is when Karen absolutely loves it.
So good. So freaking good. And I think this part right here is pretty obvious, but after dinner, we have to clean the kitchen. This is like a must. I cannot go to sleep with a dirty kitchen, with plates out, with food out. Not deep cleaning, but just good enough so I can go to sleep, again, in peace. And I wake up to a clean kitchen, clean house. That's like the best feeling on earth. But yeah, putting everything away, cleaning up the countertops. This is also another mess. Dust, fingerprints, germs, like you guys already know how it gets. So I got to clean it out as I'm finishing up my gallon of water. Also trash. Trash has to be thrown out often, and tomorrow's trash day, so we are getting all 3 bins out. I know 2 people filling up 3 bins is actually pretty easy to do because we eat a lot. So trash going out. I have to do this, a quick little cleanup. Do you guys also vacuum every night or at least sweep? Let me know down below. But ta-da, here we go. Clean kitchen, and again, ready for bed, merging upstairs. We are finally upstairs after amazing dinner from Sebas. We do all of our meal prepping together and everything, and it's so good. But when it comes to our last meal, which is fish, we cook it the same day. Something about old fish, 2-day-old fish.
Not the business.
It's not it for me. It's not it for you either.
If the fish ain't fresh, I don't want it.
It is not at all. I don't blame him. I'm the same way too. So we make our fish fresh. And if you guys If you guys want the recipe, we will have it down below so you guys can recreate it.
Super healthy.
Really good, yummy, tasty, delicious. And if you have an air fryer, even better.
You won't even get sick of it either. It's
no,
so
I
good.
never ever get sick of it. It's so good. But yeah, dinner was great. Our day was great and productive. And now we're gonna get into the best time of the day. This is almost as good as taking off your bra. I don't know if you can relate to that, but this next step of my day is an absolute must. I never skip this. You guys should know this by now. I am so passionate about my skincare routine, and that's what I'm about to get into. I'm very, very passionate about skincare because I'm gonna walk you guys through a couple things that I like to use to make that possible. Especially as you get older, you start to see a lot of changes. This one right here, Sebas, is finally experiencing skin changes. He used to not care about taking care of his skin because he's blessed with great, gorgeous skin. I mean, everyone always asks him for his routine. I want to say you got into like what, your 30s? You started to see
under eye circles, darkness, and like texture and discoloration. And I'm like, yo, Karen, like, what do I do? Because like it's starting to catch up with me, and I want to do something about it now so I can prevent it when I'm older, you know? Because that's the thing, you got to do this so when you're a lot older, you will not regret what you do when you're younger.
So yeah, we're gonna walk you guys through our night skin routine and give you guys all the tips and tricks that you can do at home with your man, your woman, and do it together. It's fun when you do it together, and then he sees changes and he's like, oh my God, I wanna continue doing this. Now this routine is a little different than the previous ones you see me doing because I'm gonna be using this amazing product from Alpha H. I'll get into it in just a bit, but it's one of those products that you only use twice a week, and it does wonders on the skin. He tried it out and was pretty blown away at how good it left his skin, especially like in the morning. You can see such a difference.
You can tell.
So I'm gonna walk you guys through it, and yeah, let's get into it. First, I gotta take a shower. So I'll be right back. Can I just say that that was probably the most challenging shower I've ever taken. Washing my hair, washing my body while not getting my face wet. So I decided last minute that I was going to keep my makeup on so that I can show you guys how I double cleanse and properly remove my makeup. So really quickly, I'm going to throw on my headband. I always put a headband on before I do my skincare. I have to get all my face out of my hair. I have to get all my hair out of my face. So I'm gonna get into the first product that I use, and this is a cleansing balm from Pharmacy called Green Clean. I scoop out a pretty good amount, especially because I am wearing a long wearing foundation. I have on mascara, clearly a lot of products going on, so we need this much to get this all off. So the reason I double cleanse is because I do wear quite a lot of makeup. I have a full coverage foundation on, long wearing eye makeup, lip products, and so on. So this is gonna really help to break down everything, and as you can see, it's kind of melting it away. So it is important that your skin is dry so that it can just start to melt off, and I work it in for about a minute or so. So the next cleanser is from Brave Soldier called Clear Skin. This is a gentle cleanser that has eucalyptus and soy amino acid. It's going to help to restore the skin's natural moisture balance and can be used also on the body, which is really nice. So just like the cleansing balm, I work this into my skin all over for about a minute and then rinse my skin off. So now that I got my skin super clean and ready to go, I'm gonna move in with the mask. Now, a mask is something I do a couple times a week, sometimes twice, sometimes once. Like, it kind of just depends on how my night's going. And I'm gonna be using this pore clearing calming mask. As I mentioned, I love doing weekly night mask. It's just a little treat for my skin, and this one's really nice. Again, calming, has AHAs and PHAs, and leaves my skin just feeling really revitalized and soft. And I love that it doesn't dry me out because some of the clay masks dry up and get way too tight, but this one's great. So while I'm masking, I'm brushing my teeth, checking my phone, and then Sebas is now joining me in on cleansing. He's doing the same cleanser that I had, and he's so dramatic when he rinses his face. I don't know why guys are like that, but he's getting his skin nice and clean and ready for the next products. My turn to wash my face. And boom, here's our skin after properly cleaning it, taking everything off. It feels and looks so good, but it's gonna look even better. If you guys have been with me here for a while, you will know that my skincare routine is pretty intense. I use quite a lot of things, but tonight's a little different because we're gonna be using an exfoliating treatment, and you actually only need this product and you don't need anything else because this does the work of multiple products in one. I know, trust me. When I tried this out, I could not believe how good this is, and it has been just something that I love using weekly. I use it about 2 times a week. You can use it up to 3 times, but I do 2 because I have a little bit more of that sensitive to dry skin, so it is perfect. But let's get into this next product. So next we're going to move in with the Liquid Gold Exfoliating Treatment from Alpha H. This is a super gentle 5% glycolic acid liquid exfoliant that works overnight to give you brighter, smoother, and even skin. This clarifies and brightens up your skin and minimizes congestion, texture, imperfections. I also love that this reduces the appearance of pigmentation on my forehead right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have some breakouts that I touched and I shouldn't have, and this has been working to lighten them up. A few months ago they were much darker, and how it's possible is because it has the 5% glycolic acid, which that's going to enhance luminosity, clarity. Also has licorice extract, which I feel is one of those ingredients that is popping off right now. So what that's going to do is soothe the skin, has antioxidant properties, it's an anti-irritant, and it also has silk protein, which is a moisture binding protein, prevent water loss, and just keep your skin super moisturized. And I need to show you guys Sebastian's pad because he just did this on his skin.
This is crazy.
That is insane. Your skin already looks significantly brighter.
Wow. I love how my skin feels right now.
And as I mentioned, you don't need to follow with any other products. It actually works best on its own. However, if you have sensitive skin or you're really dry, you can follow through with a moisturizer or a serum. But I'm somebody who follows directions, so I'm letting it work. And in the morning, I will be glowing and can proceed with my morning routine. And then that night, follow through with my original night routine. And then the following night, come back to this product again. And as always, I will link the product down below. If you guys are interested in shopping, you know what to do. But it's time to go to bed. Turning on my hatch. I cannot sleep without the sound of waves. And look at us, radiant, glowing, and ready for Mimi's. So that is it for our night routine. I recommend doing this routine with your loved one. Until then, we'll see you next time.